What's up, builders? Welcome back to RCX Builds It. I'm Randy. This is the 1960 Ford F100 project I've been working on. I've got my son Link with us. We're gonna go for a ride around town real quick. We've just got the door glass put in. I still have to work out some of the kinks on the passenger side, but the driver's side's good to go. This is the first ride with the new windows in the truck, new weather stripping. The doors are still something else I gotta work on, make sure it all closes up real tight. But this is the first ride with the new glass. All right, got your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
I have my door shut all the way. It's kind of open. There we go. Okay, we get some gas, okay?
Gas?
Some gas.
Let's do gas.
It's a gas station where you can get some gas.
Can you put my window down?
Are you getting hot? I can't roll windows down. I can get your window down just a little bit, but I can get this one down. Turn on some air conditioning. Feel that air? Feel good? Asleep.
RCX Builds It was able to build this in a garage with a box of scrap.
All right, that was a pretty successful journey with the 1960 Ford F100 frame swap project. I don't know if you guys picked it up on the camera, but I could hear it somewhere on the passenger side, and I'm fairly confident it's something with the door and the window tracking. There's a squeak, some metal on metal action going on. I was just curious. We did. It drove me crazy as I was driving it. But the wind noise is down quite a bit, and with the door seal it being as tight as it is, there's like zero draft. So no airflow. It's pushing me even further to get the air conditioning fixed up on it. Right now, only driver's side door will roll down. Passenger side window, I still need to work on that to get it to quit binding. I'm not sure what it could be. What could be causing it to bind up real bad like that? It seemed to get really tough to wind it up when I introduced the, I guess, the rear track. Maybe I've got an issue on that side. Maybe my felt isn't in the track all the way. I don't know. I'll have to mess with that. I'll have to keep tweaking because right now I can only wind it down about 3 or 4 inches. So we'll get on it. So filling with those doors, both sides took me about 3 days just to get them installed on the door glass and to get everything prepped and painted. I'm not looking forward to taking that passenger side door off again, but I need to get it done at some point because I need to be able to wind down the windows. I started fooling with the cover piece for the middle, for like that center console that I put in. It housed the climate control module and it has 2 vents on it. I came so close to putting in vents inside the dash. And put holes into it. I'm really glad I didn't. So I ended up making that center console wire cover up / climate control housing. It got the vents put in the top of that. It works pretty good. I do need to work on getting the air conditioning fixed on it. But I got plenty of heat, and if you want it to just have wind blowing on you from the center, it works pretty good for right now. As soon as I get the door glass figured out, that's when I'll move on to the back glass, and then eventually the windshield, because that has a big crack in it, and I'd like to get it replaced. The only glass that is in good shape on the whole truck is the back glass, but the seal leaks around the rear window. So when I go to replace that glass, new seal will have to be installed as well. After fooling with the windows for as long as I did, it was nice to get a break from it and work on something else in the whole truck project. I ought to sit down and make a list because right now I'm just kind of bouncing around job to job on it. Do you need some tape?
Yeah.
Okay, just wanted to tidy up a little bit. Sit down and try to make this list. Okay, I've done a couple of lists like these before, but they're all kind of scattered everywhere. Let's see. Yeah, I made a punch list a couple weeks ago. Oh, it's probably been months now. Of all the things that I think I needed to do before I got the truck on the road, and then I adapted the idea where you don't get it right, get it running. Pretty sure he said that. Need an updated list. Let's go with this side. 1960 F100 list. I do still need to come up with a way to defrost the windshield when it starts fogging up in the rain. So I'm gonna sit down and get a list going, figure out what I need to do and in what order.
Ow, now.
Hey, don't play with that hook. It's sharp, big guy. It's sharp. Get your drink. Grab your drink.
Can I have a fake worm?
Let me get one out of the box in a little bit, okay? Just hold on 1 second. Can I finish this, please? I'm going to continue making a list for the F100. Seems like the jobs on it just keep piling up. There's plenty to do on it still before I'm like, ta-da! But I'll keep you guys updated anytime I do something with it. Hopefully I don't do too much work off camera, because I like doing those time lapses. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.